Well, good morning. It's another overcast day here in Kelowna. Yeah, I'm kind of tired of trying to film in the rain. So if it's going to be raining here, I decided, well, I'm going to go chase the snow at higher elevations. Be a little more interesting. So that's what we're going to do today. Going to head southwest. No, southeast. Yes, gonna go southeast, kind of down a windy mountain road that I'm somewhat familiar with, and I think it'll be a whole bunch of fun today, so better buckle up and enjoy the ride. Well, that didn't take long to find some snow. It actually is snowing. I didn't notice that. I just noticed there's a bunch on the ground already, so. No idea what's down that way, but I think that's where we're gonna go. Maybe. I don't know. I may have bitten off more than I can chew if I try to go down a road like that in a snowstorm, but hey. How are you going to know unless you try? So, buckle up. Let's go play in the snow. Alright, well that was fun. I quite thoroughly enjoyed how much you could have fun with this car without going over about 30 or 40 kilometers an hour in the snow. It's quite a bit of fun. Definitely some good practice for driving aggressively in the dry, because I now have a better understanding of what the car is going to do when it does let go. Yeah. I don't know if you can see this. I've gotten as close as I can. I might walk over there. But there's an SUV upside down in the ditch over there. And I definitely don't want that to happen to me. So, got to be careful when it comes to driving and having fun in a car. Make sure there's no real risk to you and don't do anything too stupid. But yeah. So today's adventure was quite fun. Probably gonna carry on just enjoying the day. I'm not sure what I'll film. Might film it all, might film none of it. We'll have to just wait and see. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. So if you like that kind of driving, I'll be doing as much of it as I can throughout the rest of the winter here. Probably find some more fun, exhilarating roads to go down. Maybe. Alright, so the adventure will continue in the next video. So be sure to hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and if you enjoy watching this kind of content, hit that like button. It means a lot to me. So, we'll see you next time.